Hello everyone, welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Guys, today video I will teach you what is the difference between npm init and npm init hyphen y. So if you don't know about what is the difference between these both two, and this video for you, I will teach you what is the difference between these both two commands. And before diving into the video, let me introduce myself. Hi, it's me Rahim. I'm a software engineer, JavaScript. Then let's begin the video. So guys, I want to tell you that if you don't know about what is this NPM is, right? So NPM is basically a node package manager. So that is what stand for. NPM is basically node package manager. So what this node package manager will do is basically we are used to initialize a project in node project. So suppose, let's say if you are initializing a node project, you always need to use this NPM, right? So if you want to install any kind of dependencies, you always need to use NPM. So likewise, you are using npm. So npm is basically node package manager. So it's vary. So either we can use to initialize the project, or either we can use to install packages or dependencies to our project. So this is the reason why this npm is came. Likewise, there is another popular package library also available, that is basically yarn. So yarn is also another package library most of the developers are using. So let's see the difference between this npm init and npm init hyphen y. So npm init is basically interactive way to create a package JSON file. After filling answers to the questions, it will generate a package JSON file. This is what this npm init will doing is. So on the other hand, if you take this npm init hyphen y, so what this will doing is fast way to create a package JSON file. So basically this is not asking you a couple of questions for creating that package JSON file, right? So this is what the difference between this npm init and the npm init hyphen y. So likewise in yarn also the same. So if you do this yarn init, then it will start asking your questions, and based on that it will create a package JSON, right? So if you don't know about what is this package JSON, right, I'm talking about in this video. So there is another different video I have created for that, and that particular video I'm clearly talking about what's the difference between this package JSON and the package lock JSON. There's a two kind of things are there. If you're really curious to learn about what is this package JSON and package lock JSON, please refer my video. Anyway, I will attach in the description also, right? So that is the thing. So yarn and npm, there's a two command, there's a two package libraries we can use to initiate our project. So basically at the end of the day, it is creating a package JSON. So in this package JSON consists all the meta of our project, like dependencies and the script we are going to execute, all things we can see in that package JSON file. So let me show you that. So guys, in this npm init, their official documentation, you can see that docs.npmjs.com. The official documentation, you can see that npm init command, and more details we want to find, you can refer their official documentation, right? Likewise, if you refer this yarn, if you want to refer this yarn, you can use this yarn npm package as well, right? So their official documentation also there. But anyway, let's first I will show you that how to init the project with the npm, right? Let me create a first npm folder. This directory I'm going to show you the npm one, and this one is I'm going to show you the yarn one. Yeah, okay. Now, so and also guys, first if you want to initiate with npm init, first you need to install node.js in your computer. If you don't know about node.js and how to install this node.js in computer, yes, of course there is another video I have created for that. You can refer that video and get it installed in your computer. After that, follow this tutorial, right? So I'm opening this in cmd, right? So what I'm doing is npm init. I'm hitting the command. Now you can see it's taking a little bit of a time. Now you can see that this is start asking the package name. So I'm saying this npm project, right? Package name is npm project, version is 0.1. okay, it is invalid versions. Anyway, give it a try. Okay, that is accepted. Description is basically npm project development, right? Description. And here it's asking entry point. Yes, of course, each and every project we have this entry point file. That is the file name we need to give here. And test command, I don't have any test command at the moment, and don't have a repository. And keyword, we can specify npm and npm project development. Likewise, it is based on your preference, you can give it, but for the sample purpose I have give this. And author, of course, it's me, Rahim. License is MIT. Now after that, once everything's are done, this guy is giving that JSON file and showing whether this is okay. So if these all are okay, then you can give this yes. And now, tada, the package JSON is get created. Now if you open this package JSON in your VS Code, it's look like this. It's look like this. The name we given is npm project, a version, npm project development descriptions, and the main index is like keyword, author, and license details, right? So this is the thing. Basically, this is the file basically get generated by npm init command, right? So now we saw that npm init is basically asking interactive questions to generate this package JSON file. Now let me create, okay, first let me delete this one. Now let me create from npm init -y, right? So what this will do is skip all these required details and add in this default value and generate the package. So this is what the difference between, guys. So this is the difference between this npm init and npm init -y. So npm init is basically interactive way to ask your questions, and based on that provided answer, it is generating a package JSON. On the other hand, npm init -y is basically skip all the questionnaires and generate with the default value that package JSON file. So basically generate a package JSON with the default value. So this is what this npm init -y will do, right? So that is regarding to npm init and npm init -y, right? Now let's have a look this yarn, right? So you need to install yarn in your computer. So after installing node.js, you can search yarn npm and you can find this installation yarn, and you can go to this installation guide. Then you can see this the classic documentation of yarn, right? So you need to install these yarn globally in your computer. After that, you can check the version of yarn, right? So let me check that install, whether this is installed in my computer or not, and double type this yarn v. Now you can see that yarn 1.22, that version is basically installed in my computer, right? So then I don't need to worry about whether that is installed or not, right? Okay, now we saw that npm. Let's move to yarn and open the cmd. Now what you need to do is yarn init, right? So again, it is asking a question name, basically yarn project, version is 0.0.1, description is yarn project development, An entry point, of course, index.js. We don't have repository. Author is Rahim. License is MIT. Private, no. So now the package JSON is get created. Let me open that package JSON file and see the structure of that file. Alright, so this is only give this name, version, description, main, author and the license, right? So rest of the things are not available here. Like in NPM init, it is generate as a script tag and is script tag, right? So but here it doesn't have that. So that's the thing here. But anyway, these both two are package managers used to generate the package JSON for the project, right? Okay, let's delete this one and let's give a try with the npm with this yarn init hyphen v hyphen y, sorry guys. So again, open the cmd, now yarn init y. Now you can see that package JSON is get it created again. You open and see. Okay, that's it. No description, nothing is here. The simplest package JSON file get created for us. So that's pretty much, guys, you want to learn through this video, and now you know that the difference between npm init and npm init hyphen y, and you also see that yarn also the another package library I initiate with the yarn also, and the different structure between the created output file of this package JSON through this npm and this yarn. So now you have a good understand of this npm commands, right? So if you want to know about more commands, and you can refer their official documentation. npm, if you want to go with npm, you can refer this npm document. If you are referring yarn package manager, you can refer their yarn package manager official documentation, right? So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have a small request to all of you. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, and if you like my video, please hit the like button and don't forget to hit the bell button. If you do, only when I upload a new video you will get notified. Then guys, have a great day. I will catch you on new video. Bye.